Okay, this is my rear drive shaft, and you guys tell me. I'm guessing I've got too much play in my rear end, but also if you look at my U-joint here, right around the ring here, you can see how it's been turning. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can also see it move. And these cap screws here are both, they're plenty tight. So, and I'm getting clicking sound when I let off the gas and just coast. So I'm assuming it's either a combination of the two or one or the other, either my U-joint or the rear end. But you can see how much I move, and you can see the tire over there. It's not moving. And that's how much play I have in the rear end. So you guys tell me what you think it is.